The 12-volt solar panel represents an efficient and eco-friendly solution for harnessing solar energy to generate electricity. Designed to convert sunlight into electrical power, these panels are widely used in off-grid applications, such as remote cabins, RVs, boats, and small-scale solar projects. With their compact size and easy installation, they offer a convenient way to utilize renewable energy sources. A 12-volt solar panel operates on the principle of photovoltaics, where sunlight is converted into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. Each panel consists of multiple solar cells made of semiconductor materials, typically silicon. When sunlight hits the solar cells, photons from the sunlight knock electrons loose from the atoms within the semiconductor material, generating a flow of electricity. This electricity is then collected and routed through the panel's wiring to power electrical devices or charge batteries. The 12-volt solar panel offers a versatile and sustainable solution for harnessing solar energy in off-grid and remote environments. Through the photovoltaic effect, these panels convert sunlight into electricity, providing a renewable source of power for various applications. With their compact design, durability, and compatibility with 12-volt systems, they are well suited for powering RVs, boats, cabins, and small-scale solar projects. As the demand for renewable energy continues to rise, 12-volt solar panels play a vital role in promoting clean and sustainable power generation.